Hi everyone. I want to show you a video on native bees and how you can make a great habitat for them in your yard to help pollinate your flowers and vegetables, as well as help save the bee population in your area. So here we go. Let's look at some native bees that I've found in my yard. Okay, here is one of the bees that we've seen. This is another possibility of one of the larger bees that I've seen in my backyard. You'll also notice that there was a smaller bee flying near the flowers, a turnip flower actually. These are a couple possibilities for the smaller bees that I found in my yard. This is actually from my collection of bees in southern Ontario. There's more, but these are some that fit the bill that we have here on camera. So let's look at some of those bees again and what we can do to create a good habitat for them. Okay, just like everything else, bees need food, water, and shelter to survive. Here's how you can provide that for them in your yard. Number one, what you can do is let some of your vegetables go to flower or seed. You get seeds from them, first of all, and second of all, it gives something great for bees to pollinate. Also, let some dandelions or native flowers grow in your yard. I do this in my backyard, so my front yard still looks nice, but it gives a lot of food for native bees in my area, in my backyard. Another thing bees need is water. They need special water, something that they can land in without drowning. Bees tend to drown if you put a large pool of water out, so filling with rocks gives them a place to land and drink. Bees also need a shelter. A lot of bees make or use holes in wood to put their shelter in. You could also make a shelter for them by using bamboo pieces and hanging it up somewhere that gets a lot of sun so they can lay their eggs in the holes. They put a little pollen in there for the larva when it hatches and cover it up. And when the larva hatches, they come on out through a hole that they make in the cement covering. We'll see that in another shot here. And then start the cycle all over. So that's why they need these holes. That's a wasp, unfortunately, not a bee. But you can see how they use the holes in the wood. This is a simpler one I made last year, and you can see it's about 50% occupancy right now. You can see how it's cemented over, and so there's little eggs or larvae inside that are growing and will come out soon and repopulate the area with native bees. So there you have it, folks.